I don't know why am I shooting this, but why not? Hey all, I'm doing my makeup. I thought I'll talk about my insecurities here. Firstly, talking about my face. I don't know if you might have figured it out or no, but my jaw is a bit tera. I had gone to the dermat और उन्होंने मुझे ये बताया कि you will have to go through a surgery और वो surgery कुछ 1 या 2 lakhs की थी. What if something else happens? I'm good with this face as well. But you know, at times while shooting, it gets really awkward कि my jaw is tera and I can't do anything about it. I do get conscious while talking to people or while creating videos. Major of the times I keep my hair like this. Next, talking about my teeth. A lot of people till now have teased me a lot. 6th standard से I used to go to the dentist और मैंने अब तक कुछ 8 to 10 teeth निकलवा दिए हैं. I had gone through a lot of treatments but नहीं हो पाया. I asked my dad. I also told the dentist कि one of my teeth is tera, so I want to straighten it. So he said बहुत सारे लोग they specially come to get this done, for smile alignment or something, if that's a word. And then I told my dad also, should I get it done? So he just told me कि I love your smile. He said your smile is good. So then I thought of not getting it done. I might get my teeth aligned maybe someday. Next, coming to my eye. Whenever I choose something, you saw that my eye becomes थोड़ा सा बड़ा. I don't even get to know कि ऐसा हो रहा है. Then people come and tell me कि is there anything wrong with your eye? थोड़ा सा awkward when you eat in front of a lot of people. When your friends know about it, it's very normal. Next, talking about my thumb. So when I was small, I might have told this story as well that मेरा thumb टूट गया. So whenever I go to nail artist और ऐसा कुछ होता है collaboration where you have to show your hand, I'm being told to either hide my thumb. I know it's very right when you're showing products, you need to look perfect, but at times it's very weird when people tell you that थोड़ा सा आपका thumb हटा दो या use another hand or something like that. Then talking about this hand, I had gone through an accident यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर. Recently when I had gone for a shoot, I had to show हाथ से कुछ तो भी, and they told me कि can you apply foundation or something so that it's not visible. And I just felt कि थोड़ा सा off. No one was mean to me ever. Not everyone comes with a good skin or perfect body. There are a few things and you can still call it perfect, I can say. So I shouldn't say these are my insecurities, but these are something which do makes me conscious at a point. But including all of these things, I just love myself. Is there anything you are insecure about? Let me know in the comments. We'll talk about it. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.